All right, people, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove popcorn ceilings from an old ceiling. My house was built in 1968. I know they had put multiple coats of clear white gloss paint. There's probably 3 or 4 layers over the popcorn ceiling, which was probably some kind of dull finish when they initially installed it. So it was more of a pain in the ass. And when you look it up online, a lot of the older professional painters will tell you that you just tear it down and renew the drywall. I didn't have the money or the time to do so. It did take a long time to do the whole house. Still not done yet, but this is pretty efficient. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Even if it does have a gloss coat, they say that water won't penetrate it if you spray the ceiling. That's not actually true. So what we did was just take a sprayer, and then you get to a corner or remove a light fixture that's on the ceiling, something that'll help you get to these edges that have kind of decayed over time. And once you can start chipping away at that stuff, the water will seep through, and then you'll eventually get it the ability to scrape. And I used a large scraper. I used, I think, a 12-inch mud knife, and I just kept gently pushing my way underneath that. And make sure that you're not going through the paper of the drywall. I mean, every once in a while you are going to get through there. You can see it on this video that I actually penetrated through the drywall paper. And really all it takes after that is a good primer. And I think I used a Kills primer to cover up that part that I tore off. So just keep working at it though, and eventually if you soak it right, you will be able to get through and take off big pieces at a time. You'll see here in a second that I actually start to get to a point where I can scrape off large sections at a time. And it's all a timing issue. So just wet it, wait a few minutes, let it soak in, because regardless of what they say about the gloss coat of paint, it's still going to get through. The water will penetrate, especially on these older ceilings. I think they've been deteriorating over time, and you can make your way in there. So I just wanted to show everybody what it looks like. And instead of calling a professional to come charge you hundreds of dollars to do this, or tearing down all the drywall on your ceiling, having insulation falling through, and I've also heard people putting an extra layer of drywall, brand new drywall, over that ceiling, but then you're going to lose half an inch, 3/4 of an inch of your ceiling height. So I don't recommend that. I think everybody can do what they put their mind to. So give it a shot, guys. Here you go.